construct our car. This is the F1 model block. It is used for the main body of our car. It has fixed dimensions and it's the same for every tier. This is the compact 1000 Pro supplied to us by Denford Ltd. Here is the build plate where we carefully place the model block so we can construct our car. Here is the drill which works on 3 axes, up, down, left and right, where it carefully moves according to the computer's instructions to finalize our model block.